Hello dear traders, it's me Suleiman Khan. So I'm coming with a new video that is regarding FOMC. So today we have the very important fundamental data, that is FOMC. In this FOMC, central bank will be able to check it out. Either they are going to increase the interest rates or either they are going to decrease the interest rates. So it would impact on the gold and all the pairs of the USD. So today we will not only check it out the gold chart, also we will also analysis I will try to give you the analysis of the dollar chart, that what are the possible positions, because this FOMC will have the huge impact on all USD pairs. Either you are trading in GBP USD, USD JPY, gold, silver, and all the pairs which having the correlation with the USD. It will have the huge impact on all those pairs. So let's first of all discuss about the dollar, that what are the possible positions right now we are able to see on the behalf of technically on the dollar chart. Then we will also I will try to give you guys the analysis of the gold chart. So right now guys, I have opened the dollar chart. I will try to make this video as much short, so in this way you will be able to gain more and more knowledge. So right now, if you check it out on the behalf of dollar chart, one small thing which I am noticing in the dollar chart on the behalf of 4-hour time frame chart, that is, if you will check it out, this area basically dollar was traveling in between this trend in these trend lines. It was going upside like this way and coming downside, then again going upside, and after that dollar has given us the breakout from here. And it seems like that market has given us a fake breakout or fake retest. So we will check it out also, this thing. Actually, a lot of people also asked me the question, sir, that how you will identify that either it's a fake breakout or either it's a genuine breakout, or sir, how you will analyze, how you will predict this thing. I will also give you today one more suggestion regarding that you will also see these things on the behalf of charts. So let's see, you guys can see here right now that on the dollar chart we are unable to check it out, that either it's a breakout or either it's a fake breakout, or either market is gonna move upside or either market is gonna move downside. So this thing right now we don't have the proper knowledge. So how can we predict that dollar market is gonna move downside or dollar market is gonna move the upside? So for this thing, if you are unable to check it out, that either that it's a fake breakout or either it's a breakout, you have to open the line chart, because line chart gives you the closing values. So if you will open the line chart here, you will be able to see the proper scenario that where market is gonna move. So if I will draw the trend line on the behalf of line chart, that will gives us the exactly most properly exact values. So if I will draw that line chart here, you guys can see here. Now I will make it more clear for you. If I will make it more clear for you, this line would be on the behalf of this area. It's like that. Now it's more clear right now, line chart. So according to line chart, what line chart is telling us now, line chart is very much clear. If you will open the candle chart, that was confusing you, that was not giving you the exact thing, that either market is going upside or either market is going downside. But on the behalf of line chart, you are able to see that on the behalf of this trend line, markets gives us from here, then again market gives us here a swing point, then again market moves upside, then again market gives us a swing point, then again market goes upside, then again market has given us the breakout. So recently dollar was the bullish, then after that dollar market has break that trend line, that bullish trend line, then again market has given us the retest, then on the behalf of retest again it's falling downside. So according to technically, now what we are predicting, technically it seems like the dollar market can fall downside. So why? There are a few more reasons to move downside. What the first reason is, it seems like the dollar market is trying to create the M pattern, and whenever M pattern is created, then after that market will try to create a W pattern like this way, then again moves upside. So in this way, so this could be the future scenario for the dollar. This might be the. And the second thing is that the important thing is that on the behalf of dollar chart, as I'm saying to you, that it seemed like the dollar market was recently bullish. Recently it was the bullish, then after the market has break that trend line, then right now dollar is probably bearish. So when dollar is bearish, so it is the first the possibility for the gold, that gold can be the bullish in the next few days. So this is the first possibility for the dollar chart, for the gold and dollar chart. So right now, as I am telling you about the dollar chart, that dollar chart is right now behaving very very irrationally. As you guys can see that yesterday there was a Jaws opening, so and on that day dollar market has fallen downside. So right now you will see here more clearly. So this is the properly here market will create the proper pattern at 110.530. Here market will be able to give us the proper scenario that either it's a confirm M pattern or not confirm M pattern. So you will be see here that this is the M pattern. It seems like market has trying to give us the M pattern. So here market will tries to complete this pattern, and again market will tries to give us the small retest, then again goes downside. So this might be the next possibility for the dollar. So this is what I am seeing. So right now for me, for today, according to on the behalf of dollar, it seems like that dollar will tries to falls downside. Small might be it will slightly it will goes upside, because you know that on the if you check it out the fundamental, there was a huge the inflation rate is going to be increased day by day rapidly. But if you will check it out the last FOMC, it was telling us that interest rates were also rising. Even though interest rates were also rising, inflation is also rising, but the thing is that that was not making the huge impact on the dollar side. Dollar was not that much there was no huge movement in the dollar. Because why? The thing is that from the last 2 years, basically American central bank, they are increasing the interest rates. When the things are too much, then they have the smallest impact on the real market. So for me, it seems like that, okay, I will tell you on the gold chart that what I am looking and where I'm looking. And the next thing is that on the behalf of dollar chart, one more thing is that this is the very much important data, very important area on the dollar chart. If you will check it out, this area, as I'm telling you, this is the area particular. Let me give you the rectangular zone. So this is the possible area for the dollar chart. If you check it out, yeah, this is very much important area. You also have to mark on your chart. So if dollar chart will be able to break that area, if dollar will be able to break that area, so then you have to only be worried that it will tries to impact, or that it will be bullish in the few scenarios. On the other side, technically it seems like first possibility is that market has broken our trend line and market has given us the retest. So right now it is falling downside. This is the first scenario that we will assume as that that dollar will falls downside. Now second scenario, market was at the respective resistance area, and right now market is also rejected from the resistance area. So it is also the we can also assume that basically we have the two options that are telling us that dollar will falls downside. So now let's move toward the gold chart. So if you will check it out, the gold chart right now, that on the behalf of gold chart on the behalf of gold chart, it is telling us on the behalf of gold chart, if I will open the 4-hour time frame chart, so you guys can see here that this is the particular. Recently I was telling you about the gold chart that market is trying to move this way, upside downside. So right now market is again in the zone area, in between the zone area. So right now what I am looking for the for the gold chart, as dollar is telling me that it might goes downside. So on the behalf of gold chart, basically guys, it looks like that gold is bullish. Why I'm saying that gold is bullish? The thing is that if I will draw the trend line here, in this way, so it is telling me that market is gonna go, market was trying to take the support from this area. So again I will try to open the line chart, so that will give me the more closing values and exact values. So basically on the line chart, what was happening, Actually, a lot of people, they were telling us that how you do, sir, how you make the analysis. Actually guys, I used to make the analysis on the behalf of technically and fundamentally. That's it. Further, I don't have any connections with any central banks. Okay, so take it easy, just learn it, just check it out, that how and where to place the your levels. So right now, if you will check it out, the gold chart, so this is how gold is behaving. Basically, gold was running in between that. This was the area, upper trend line, bearish trend line. Market was trying to move upside, downside, and again, this was the thing, the areas which were market was falling downside. Again, market has tried to break that trend line, bearish trend line, and moves upside. And then again, market has given us smallest retest. Then again, market goes upside. Again, market is right now falling, moving upside or downside, and again, market is trying to stumbles. So it seems like for the dollar, for the gold, that market is right now bullish. For gold right now, market is bullish. Why it is bullish? Just because of this trend line. This trend line is telling me that dollar is basically, that gold is basically on the side of bullish. Now on this, if you will open the line again, the candle chart for the latest areas, if you will check it out, these latest areas, that what are the possibilities and what is going to be happen. So guys, right now on the behalf of on the behalf of gold, I am seeing that this was a recently market has fallen downside from 1665 area, and again market just moves downside. Again market goes upside, and then after that again market is trying to move downside. So now right now what is happening, so if you will check it out on the behalf of gold, if I will draw here the Fibonacci retracement levels, so it is telling me that market has almost completed its Fibonacci retracement levels. That was approximately 38.2% retracement level here, but market was unable to take a support from this area. But when market was near to 50% retracement level, here market has tried to take a support, and again market is trying to move upside. So according to technically, it seems like that gold should have to, first of all, it should have to move till this area, like 1665, or it might goes to this area. This was 1670. So this is the area for the gold chart. It should have to go till this area. But on the second side, if guys gold will break this time 1640 zone area, then we can see the trouble for the buyers. So for today, what are the possible positions and what are the respective areas? So for me right now, if you will ask from me, that's where we should have to open the buy trade and where we should have to open the sell trades. So for me, this is the most important zone area that you should have to watch it very carefully. That zone is 1645, approximately 1645 till this area, sorry, 1644 till 1640. If gold will tries to gives us the closing, any 1 hour closing, even though 1 hour closing, if gold will tries to gives us the closing in between this area, like that closing in between this area, then you should not have to enter in a buy trade until you have the proper possibility. For the, if gold will not be able to give us the closing on between if gold will try, if was not able to give us a closing below this area, then you can look for the buying position. Your target should be 1670, 1660. So if market will be able to move downside from this area 1640, so for today 1640 would be the important area for us. So if gold will give us any closing below the 1640, then you can use a stop loss just above the 1650 or like this type of areas, and your first target would be like this area 1622, this area, and then again you can hold your trade still further downside. What is the further downside? If I will talk about a further downside, so our possibilities are that market can go still 1580 or 1570. This is also the possibility, as I have told you in the trend line. So I hope so that guys you have liked the analysis. I have tried to tell you about the dollar chart. I have tried to explain very well with the gold. So in this short time frame, short video, I can just that much I can explain to you guys. I hope so that you have liked the analysis. So kindly share it with your friends. So if you have any questions, you can ask from us on the Telegram channel, and also you can, if you want to ask anything, you can also ask in the comment box. So stay blessed guys. So let's hope for the best for the FOMC. So hope so we will catch good profits. Take care. Bye bye.